Hello, today I'm going to show you how to install IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition on Windows 11. IntelliJ IDEA is a powerful and popular IDE developed by JetBrains, widely used for Java development and beyond. The Community Edition is free and perfect for students, hobbyists, and professional developers working on JVM and Android projects. Let's get started. Step 1. Download and install IntelliJ IDEA. Open your browser and search for IntelliJ IDEA. Click on the first link from JetBrains.com. Click the download button. Choose the community version free, then click download. Run the downloaded file. Click yes when prompted. Click Next to continue. Choose Installation Location, then click Next. Select Installation Options, check Create Desktop Shortcut, and Add Launchers to the path. Click Next. Click Install and wait for it to complete. Choose to restart your computer now or later. Restart is recommended. Step 2. Launch and use IntelliJ IDEA. Open IntelliJ IDEA using the desktop shortcut. Accept the license agreement, then click Continue. In the data sharing prompt, select Don't Send if you prefer not to share usage data. Click New Project. Choose Java on the left panel. Name your project and choose a save location if desired. Under Project SDK, select JDK. If not available, click Download JDK. Right-click the SRC folder, choose New, then select Java class, give your class a name. Inside the new class, type PSVM and press Enter to generate the main method. Then type SOUT and press Enter to generate system.out.println. Write a message inside the parentheses. Right-click anywhere in the code and choose Run Quote Hello.Main Quote to execute the program. After the first run, use the top toolbar buttons to run, build, or debug your project. You've successfully installed and run your first Java program in IntelliJ IDEA. Like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video. Goodbye.